Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how to find someone's location by phone number. Before we start, hurry up and check out the offers just under this video. Let's get started. You might be wondering if it's really possible to track someone with just their phone number. If you search online for reverse phone number lookup, you'll find many websites claiming to offer this service. But here's the truth. Accurate real-time location tracking is not available to the public. This type of technology is only available to authorities, like law enforcement. So if you're in an emergency or someone is missing, the best thing you can do is contact the authorities directly because they are the only ones who can legally access this information. Now, some websites might say they can track anyone instantly, but most of these are unreliable or scams. So be careful. You don't want to share your personal data or pay for a fake service. If you're just trying to reconnect with someone, safer options include using caller ID apps, social media, or simply asking the person to share their location directly. But for emergencies, always go through the proper authorities. And that's it. Real-time location by phone number is not available to the public. For emergencies, always contact the authorities. For personal connections, use safe and legal options. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and watch our next tutorial.